I'm going to show you how to use vignettes to enhance your images. They are simple to apply, fast and easy to edit, and most of all, they work with most software packages out there. This is Love All Digital, and my name is David Jelly. I will be editing with Affinity Photo 2, but this technique will work with most software editing packages. I will usually complete all other editing steps before adding the vignette as a final measure. The edited file is open, and we have opened the live vignette filter in Affinity Photo. There are a number of adjustments that can be made. We'll start with the exposure slider on the top row. To the left creates a dark vignette, to the right creates a light vignette. Light vignettes are often used in portrait and wedding photography. With landscape photography, I will usually use a dark vignette, but this is personal choice, of course. I will usually take the exposure to its maximum. Then I will adjust the hardness. This slider can be used to create a very sharp margin for a clear border or for a much softer approach. This is very much done to your taste. Then we will work with the scale slider. By taking it to the right, we make the vignette larger. To the left, it makes it smaller. The vignetted area is a perfect circle. This may suit a square image, but not an elongated image. We can use the scale slider to adjust this proportionately. And once again, we can use this until you're happy. We can change these adjustments if we wish. We can slide all the sliders again until we get our desired result. It is usually very much a matter of taste. We can also adjust the overall exposure with the opacity slider. If we now close this down and we go to the vignette layer in our layers panel, by switching this on and off, we can see the before and the after. The before and after. The beauty of this, it is a live layer, and we can always go back to our panel and adjust the sliders again if we are not happy with the final result. As you can see, that was very fast and very simple. Vignettes can enhance an image by drawing the viewer's attention towards the center of the image, which is usually the point of most interest in the photo. The vignette is evenly applied around the whole image, but it is possible to have a vignette that only covers part of the image. We've now opened the second image. We will open the Vignette Live filter, and once again we will adjust the sliders to get the effect that we are after. As you can see, it's a very clean circle, but by adjusting the scale at the bottom, we can actually adapt it to the shape of the image better. We have created the level of vignette that I have been after, but in my opinion, the foreground is too dark, and I would like to reduce or even eliminate the vignette from this area, but of course I will keep it in the sky. we will use a gradient tool. Gradient tool is applied by clicking at the top of the image. It has removed the vignette, but as we draw down the image, you can see the vignette being introduced. The black end of the gradient tool has totally eliminated the vignette, whilst the white end still has it applied. There is also an adjustment point in the middle that can be slid up and down so we can make the vignette high or low in the image. This gives us a lot of control over the finished result. As you've seen, vignettes are very easy to do, can be applied quickly, and we have a lot of control over the end result. I hope you'll use them more and more going forward in your photography. Thank you for tuning in to Love All Digital today. Thank you and goodbye.